Okay, here's where I'm at. This step here, making this guy, I keep calling it a guy. I had cut those out, I'd popped those out. Yeah, if you watch the other videos, you know. Okay, so I have covered both sides. I think I might have to trim up around the edges. Yeah, so they're all connected and not beautiful, but there we go. And I'm going to put that guy together next, and then I wanted to show you the next part here. So I have cut out the pieces of paper and I wrote on them what the numbers are. And then I have also cut out these. This one was a little confusing because I had to go watch someone else's video about it. So what you do is you take the pieces like in that order and put them together to form a box like this solid box. And then I'm going to take this big long piece and wrap it all the way around it. Okay, so it's covered like that. And then this is the lid and the door. But I got confused because the door is going to go on the front of the closed up box. So that confused me a little. And you have this little piece of wire that's going to go in beep, 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 in there. So that's where I'm at next. I'm going to glue those on. And it's going to hopefully look like this. See you next time.